Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find and manage link settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, and now here you will find invite. Click on it. Here, as you see, click on the settings icon, and now that's it. You will find link settings, easy and quick. You can manage it as you want, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.